Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again at the euro currency today. Looks like our suspicious yesterday was correct and market really showing some downward action. According to the Reuters comments, Greece again stands in focus right now, and investors really treat this event as very important for the perspective of the euro currency in the short-term period. Meantime, on the daily chart, we see that market is moving lower. As we said yesterday, it was not able to reach even the minor target of the 618 extension of this ABCD. Another important moment here is that take a look that market wasn't able to pass through the monthly pivot resistance one. By the way, this is also on the current week. This is also the weekly pivot resistance one, and we know that usually pivot resistances hold retracement on the bear trend. It means that in fact, if it's really market will continue move lower, we could get not even the upside ABCD, but we could get the downward ABCD in this case, especially if the situation in the Greece will turn to the negative scenario, and this will lead to the default of the Greece. It's also, we can't exclude it absolutely. That's why, as from the technical point of view, as from the fundamental point of view, this is really very important action right now for the Greece, for the euro currency. On the 4-hour time frame chart, market gradually is approaching to support that we have mentioned as the short-term target on the euro currency. This is, as you can see, a combination of the neckline of this potential double top pattern that we see on the hourly chart. Fib support, it's 110.50 approximately, and take a look, that's the combination of the weekly and monthly pivots. This area probably will be reached soon, maybe even today, and after that, it mostly will depend on the breakout. So if market will break through the neckline, break through the support area, that will significantly increase the chance of the reaching 108.50 area first. That's major Fib support on the daily chart. In this case, if market will pass through it, this will be the next destination point. But reaching of this area by itself will look very bearish, because the market mechanics of the upside action doesn't assume the possible reaching again the 618 support, because retracement down already has happened. So that was initial thrust, that was retracement, that should be the continuation. If market wasn't able to reach the minor target and turn again right to the C point, that really put under question the existence of the ABCD pattern, because this is absolutely not logical action, and in turn this could open the road for the possible butterfly sell pattern, butterfly buy. This could be left wing, that could become right wing, and that will lead market to the new lows in the medium term perspective. That's why, as this action is very significant, as this level very important if market will reach it. So right now we expect the reaching of this area and see what will happen here. Trend is bearish. Also, you could see that this downward action has started from the nicely looking wash and rinse that we have discussed yesterday. So market has shown the bearish pattern. It's called as the wash and rinse, grabbing the stops and turning it back down. Trend has shifted bearish, and we have nicely looking bearish divergence here as well. On the hourly chart, in the short-term perspective, a couple of moments. First of all, market right now is forming some kind of the ABCD pattern that has the target precisely at the same area, 1078, 1070 area. It's very close, as you can see, to the neckline and to our support cluster on the 4-hour time frame chart. And also, it is interesting, if we will take a look at this greater ABCD based on these tops, ABC top, in this case the 1618 extension of this pattern will stand at 108.50, and 108.50 is precisely the 618 support on the daily chart. That's very important, and also keep in mind this pattern that's also become a significant target, because we could apply it if market will start to work as a double top, but this will happen only after the market will break through the neckline. So that's been said, currently we will be watching for a couple of moments. First of all, reaching of the neckline around 110.50 area. Second, maybe it will happen not on the current week, but in the short-term perspective, we will be watching for a breakout of this neckline and where the market will continue move lower to the major 618 support on the daily chart.